Unraveling the Mystery, in Cahoots Explained. Hello dear viewers. Today, we're diving deep into an intriguing English phrase that you might have come across, in cahoots. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means, how to use it, and where it comes from. So, let's jump right in. In cahoots is a colloquial phrase that means two or more people or entities are secretly working together, often with a hint of mischief or dishonesty. It implies that there's some sort of hidden agenda or conspiracy between the parties involved. Imagine two students whispering in a corner and then both looking suspiciously at the teacher's desk. They might be in cahoots to play a prank on the teacher. It's always fun to learn by examples. Here are a few sentences to illustrate how you can use in cahoots. 1. I think the two companies are in cahoots to raise prices. 2. Why are those kids giggling? I bet they're in cahoots about something. 3. The mayor and the contractor were found to be in cahoots, leading to a big scandal. The exact origin of in cahoots is a bit of a mystery, but it's believed to come from the French word cahoot, meaning a small cabin or hut. Some think it might relate to plotting or scheming in secret places. Another theory is it could come from the American South, from the word cohorts, referring to companions or partners in crime. No matter its origin, the phrase has been popular in English for over a century. There you have it, folks. Now, you're well equipped to understand and use the phrase, in cahoots, in your daily conversations. It's one of those quirky phrases that adds a little flavor to the language. We hope you found this video enlightening, and remember, always stay curious about words and their stories. Until next time,